Can Bitcoin be stuck forever and thus lost on a Lightning Network channel? So can Bitcoin be stuck and lost forever? No, not unless you lose data from your own node. This, again, is one of the peculiarities of the Lightning Network. If you're operating a Lightning node, you need to back up the channel state. Unlike an on-chain Bitcoin transaction, where if you back up your seed, you can always recover it to the same state, with a Lightning node, because ephemeral keys are used for various parts of the transacting process, in order to be able to recover channel state and close channels where the other party has become non-cooperative or disconnected, you need to have information that you keep in a channel backup. And so most Lightning wallets or clients or nodes have a mechanism for backing up the channel state, which allows you then to recover those channels in case something happens to your node or the peers get disconnected. So if you have a properly running Lightning node and the other person disappears, you can easily exercise a non-cooperative close, which will allow you to get the money back on chain by closing that channel. So you can't lose money, you can't have funds stuck if you have a properly running node.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. All my work is shared for free, so if you want to support it, join me on Patreon.